Hey friends, if you wish to change Opera browser language settings on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Opera. On the list on the left hand side, click on these three dots. Now scroll down and then click on settings and the symbol along with it. And now you will have to search for language in the search bar. Okay, now there's something which says websites in your languages. You will have two languages here by default. One is English US and one is normal English. You can add a language. Let's say that I wish to add some language. I wish to add a Croatian language, and then all I need to do is click on add. But it will still not be the primary language. To make it the primary language, you will have to click on the three dots associated with it and select move to top. Okay, and now Croatian has become the primary language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.